Hello there, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can host your HTML website for free. So in this case we are going to use Netlify. So what I have to do, you have to go for the browser. Let's want to go for the browser, and here we're going to say Netlify. Click here Google. Okay guys, here you can see we have logged in. Just go here in the projects, click here projects, and you just have to click here, or maybe you can actually drag and drop it here. That's it. Here you can say uploading. Go for the deploys, go for the deploy settings. Now here we have site details, so we just have to go for the site details. Here you can see project details, okay, general, and then remove everything from here. Let's want to give it a new name, I mean your domain name. So let's say in this case I'm going to say here webtech Tanvir, let's say YT, okay, and update project name here. So we click here finish letter. Now go for the deploys. Here you can see deploys. Go for the deploy settings, and under deploy settings you will have an option inside general. Here you can see under general you have an option project details. So click here, and now here you can see this is the configuration. So just click here, and here you can see the project. So this is our file, right? Okay, that's it. So this is how actually you can host your website in the Netlify.